I get a lot of questions about my painting process. I'm about to start something new, so I'm taking you along. I am starting out by just loosely sketching the shapes from my reference out on this canvas with a pencil. This canvas has been gessoed, not sanded. Too lazy for that. And then I use Indian yellow as a wash underneath. It really helps with the glow at the end of my painting. Mandatory cutie. First real lesson, this stuff. If your paint is not already semi-transparent, just add a little wee scoop in there just to make it so it glazes on instead of goes on like fully opaque. And that helps with like the layered glowing look that my paintings have. All right, and then we just block in our colors. This is starting extremely sloppy, but we'll see if it pulls through. Okay, now I have this chopped up paintbrush, and I'm just taking some of this color and dragging it around. Gonna create some movement. As I was squiggling, I just saw this space, and I know a moon would look perfect there. I am trying to create the starburst on here. I am looking at it with my glasses off a little bit because I'm very blind, and that is kind of how I draw light, is how it looks with my glasses off. Now I've gone ahead and watered down some yellow, orange, and red. Added a little bit of that gel medium as well. And now I'm going to be glazing an aura with these transparent colors over top of my base. When you're doing this, you're going to want to make sure that your base paint is very dry because you're going to keep a rag on hand, and if you do too thick of a layer, you can blot it off and it will like tone it down but still leave that aura of the color behind. I think I'm done with the glazing for now. It's time to add texture. I've created this grayish bluish shade that I think is kind of night sky. And now I'm just going to do little brush strokes following that pattern I created before. I feel pretty satisfied with the texture on this. Gonna take my translucent watered down paint yet again and just do some washes to help sculpt and really define the glow of this painting. This is my last step. I'm hitting the outer edge with a very thin wash of Winsor Blue, which will help push the lighting. Da-da-da-da! All finished. I think that this took me about 6 hours in total, which is really fast for me for this size of painting. It's a pretty large painting. Finding your style is a long, grueling process, and I hope some of these steps can help you maybe discover your style if you decide to follow them. Thank you for watching. Go paint!